Welcome to day number 7 of the 12 days of health accumulation. Today we're talking about food, namely taking what you have, putting it in a bowl, being cool with there being all these different colors in that bowl, enjoying it, and not feeling like, man, we gotta prepare this big old 3-course, 4-course, 6-course meal every single day of the week. We got this extravagant thing. The simplest, best, most efficient way to build, maintain, accumulate health is to not make it complicated. Do not make it complicated. Keep it simple, get yourself an awesome routine going, and then once you get that routine going, you got these habits formed, and it's like, this is just what we do. Then if you wanna make it more complex, you wanna change it up, go for it. But all the time, I hear people when they are just going for it on the health spectrum, starting a diet, those kind of things, is that there's just not enough choices, I'm getting bored. The deal is, you're not getting bored. There are plenty of choices. I mean, there literally are hundreds of vegetables out there. There are so many different cuts of meat out there. There are so many different types of fruit available. It's just a matter of us in our mind recognizing that that tortilla, that piece of pasta, that noodle, that piece of bread, that croissant, that bagel, those are all the exact same thing. Those are all flour, sugar, and gluten glued together, or if it's gluten-free, it's all the same rice stuff, put together, but it's shaped differently, and that's what makes us think that it's something different. But in reality, it's just devoid of life, lifeless. When we could easily, which I do this all the time, if we're running low on time or running low on energy, got a lot of stuff going on. I got 5 kids, right? And a wonderful wife that is helping nonstop. But go into the refrigerator, see what kind of vegetable matter we have in there, what kind of meat we have in there, and just sometimes literally it's like there's spinach in there, saute up some spinach, throw it in a bowl, saute up some kale, throw it in a bowl, fry up a couple eggs, throw them in there, douse it with turmeric. We always have sweet potatoes available, so I throw some sweet potatoes on there as well. We always pretty much have avocados available too, so I'll cut up half an avocado, and me and my wife swap, she eats half, I eat half, almost every single day that happens. But don't make it so complicated. Please, I beg of you, if you want to win in the food arena, decrease the complexity of your meals so that it seems simple. Like, it's okay just to have some broccoli and meat for a meal. It's okay to just have some sweet potatoes, have a potato, and have some squash and some meat. It doesn't have to be 3 or 4 different things. The more colors, the better. Colors are amazing. Colors are life. There's life, phytochemicals that are providing, that pigment is providing life for us. But you'd be better off eating just like a slab of steak and calling it good than having this tortilla and bagel and creating this whole festive sandwich if there isn't real food inside that sandwich, tortilla, these kind of things. So don't make it complex, keep it simple, enjoy simplicity and the fact that you don't have to spend hours thinking about what you're going to consume. What's in the fridge. Let's start just buying the same thing over and over and over and over again, so it cuts down on all the decisions you have to make on a daily, weekly basis. And guess what? Now you have all this energy left over to make decisions in other areas of your life, and it's just going to make it so that you feel in control, that there's a plan you're working from, there's a routine you're in, and then once you get that routine down, you can start adding in the complexity. Try making a bowl for yourself. We put together a little something that we do often on the PDF. Try to make yourself a little bowl. I love bowls. My wife taught me to love bowls. Put it all in there, looks kind of nice, and then it doesn't fall off the plate and all that kind of stuff like a standard plate would. So accumulate health, people. You can do this. Date's coming up. Eat like a champion, because we're almost to the end of December and we want to make all the gains we can.